Sorry, I'm just goofing, man. This thing is fun.
All right. I like it. Welcome. Quentin King, Paul here, Music Villa, Bozeman, Montana. And today's kind of cool because we have a Kevin Kopp model that we haven't had in a long time. So way back in the day, we used to do a lot of these. It was kind of a Kevin Kopp thing. Then it kind of fell off the map.
Kind of a staple.
Yeah, it was kind of one of we
models.
considered it kind of a staple, and we asked him if he would do another one for us. It's called the Trail Boss, and he's a local luthier here in town, and we love his guitars. We only get about 4 a year, and this one, as you can see, it's a jumbo body, but it's also a 12th fret model, so it joins the body at the 12th fret there.
It's kind of compact.
Yep.
Again,
it's compact, but it is still a 25 point whatever scale length. It's a regular scale length, but
you can feel it as being a little bit more compact, I guess, just in relation to the body.
Yeah, it's shifted
Not
down.
Not necessarily that it's shorter in between frets, but that it's your arms closer instead of out. So
yeah.
But we love Kevin Kopp because he makes fantastic guitars.
Yeah.
And this one is no exception.
It's a mahogany body, torrefied Sitka top, and just.
It's a very attractive guitar. Do you know? You probably don't know this, but I don't know what the
Honduran rosewood.
There you go. Very beautiful.
There you go.
And it's got a lot of depth. I mean, I mentioned in another video that we're doing a lot of boomers today. A lot of these big body guitars, they've just got a lot of low end. Just do that all day. That's why I like playing honky-tonk music. If you're not familiar with honky-tonk music as a guitar genre, you can get by playing a whole solo just like that.
Yep. Well, now
yeah, and it sounds cool.
It
sounds cool.
It's big.
Yes, it's very big.
It's big.
This is
it's a slow strummer, I'd say.
It could be. I mean, you could definitely shred on this with all the space up here if you're one of those guys. I'm not. I can't get up that high effectively.
Well, it's harder on that one. 12th fret.
But I mean, it's got a nice balance through the top. It's when I say boomy, it's got that volume.
Yeah.
If you want to focus in on the lower strings, you can get that kind of bassy, really sound. But it's just as simple with your, depending on playing style, to kind of accent through the mid and upper strings, and they'll come through just as clear, which is not always the case. Sometimes a boomy guitar is just going to resonate low, and the highs can be drowned out. But I think it can be balanced, or that's what's nice about a versatile instrument like this, is you can adjust how you're strumming, how you're picking to accent the bass or the highs.
There's a lot of different tone from when you're picking forward or picking back.
Yeah, I mean, people have pointed out, the type of music I play, it was almost embedded in my brain you pick back here because it's a little brighter, a little sharper, and that helps cut through when you're playing bluegrass. But, I mean, if you want that warmer sound, by your neck, but I mean, it is a boss.
It is a boss.
It's a boss for the trail.
I wouldn't
take this out on the trail, but it's definitely a boss.
It is. That's a Kevin Kopp Trail Boss.
Very nice.
Available here at Music Villa. Check it out on our website, musicvilla.com, and let's keep going.
Yeah, come down, play this thing.
Quentin, thanks. Sure. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.